When I first heard about my survival farm, I was curious but skeptical. Could a garden really take care of itself with no daily work? But once I started learning about it, I realized it's one of the smartest and most efficient systems for growing food I've ever seen. It's based on permaculture, which means your plants are arranged in a way that they support each other naturally, just like in a forest. No digging, no watering every day, no spraying pesticides, and somehow, everything still thrives. What's even better is that the garden is designed to be hidden in plain sight, so in a crisis, you don't have to worry about looters or nosy neighbors spotting your food supply. The course walks you through everything step by step, with easy language, photos, and diagrams. It shows you how to grow over 125 different plants that keep coming back year after year without replanting. You even learn which plants to group together for better growth, how to build perfect soil, and how to protect it from pests naturally using companion plants. I also loved that they included ways to grow food in small spaces, so it's perfect even if you live in an apartment. The bonuses really impressed me too, from guides on storing water safely, to preserving your extra harvest, to even earning money by selling or trading your produce. It's like having a food system that runs almost by itself and prepares you for anything, blackouts, food shortages, or emergencies. And it's not just about survival, it's about eating cleaner, healthier food every day. I feel more confident knowing I can take care of myself and my family without relying on grocery stores or power. My survival farm makes food freedom simple, practical, and honestly kind of exciting. I couldn't recommend it more.